catalogue in your home. Sign up online to start receiving your monthly rent checks to spend at Ikea.
I'm looking for somewhere to rent. I don't need a lot of space. 22 centimeters by 20, that should be plenty. I will pay you to sit on the arm of your sofa, to lie on your coffee table, or to curl up beside your bed.
It's an exciting time. My Ikea catalogue arrived while I was away.
It's renting space in your place.
Yes, it rented space in my letterbox for quite a while.